Can this performance win Jamaica a medal at World Championships 2022? Guys, tell me what you think. Hi there, my YouTube family. How wanna do? I hope everything good with you. Now I want to ask a question, and I want you to give me your honest opinion. But first of all, let me ask this. Did you watch the national trials the other day? If you did, and even if you didn't, because it was on the news and all that, then you know that Johan Blake, the beast, the second fastest man ever, has the fastest time of any Jamaican male so far this year. That's a fact, yeah? Okay, we're going to take a minute and watch this.
10.26 in qualifying from the University of Albany, Shakur Williams, heat number 2 of the 100 meters for men. What a moment. Johan Blake gets a fine start. Traveling well is that man, Johan Blake. Tejay Gill on the inside also makes a run. Johan Blake will take this one. 9.91. We were waiting. And he has answered. Positive 0.7. 9.93. The beast has roared.
The time has been adjusted to 9.85. Positive 0.0. Ladies and gentlemen, the second fastest man in history returns. Oh, what a performance. Some may be surprised, others maybe not. But my word, let's have a look at the place times.
Alright, so there you saw Johan doing 9.3 and 9.85 seconds in the semis and the finals of the men's 100 meters at Jamaica National Trials. Now the big question I want to ask is, do you think a repeat performance like this by Blake and those kinds of times can win him a medal in the men's 100 meters at the upcoming World Athletics Championships in Eugene? Or do you think him can beat Marcel Jacobs, Curley, Coleman, DeGrasse, and all the others and go stand up on the podium with them kind of time there? 9.85 is the third fastest time this year still, but I know Blake won run that. A three-man, including Blake, run 9.85 so far this year. The other two are Ferdinand Omanyala from Kenya and Marvin Bracey from the USA. So what that means is that Blake have got a whole heap better than 9.85. So tell me if you don't think him can make the podium. If you don't think him still have faster speed in 9 legs. Give me an honest opinion, family.